Yo. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Now, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jefta and I go by JPEX Capital. So I am a day trader. Now, the reason why I created this channel is to document my journey from zero funded to 500k in prop firm capital. All right. So currently, I'm only 10k funded. 10k funded, $5,000 on Alpha Capital, and then $5,000 on Fivers. So for transparency, I document my trade every day and then I upload a video once a week. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, just to help the channel grow, right? So now with that being said, let's get to the video. Now last week was really tough for me. If you watched the last episode, you will understand I did not follow my plan to the T. Maybe I was desperate to pass my 50k account. I don't know, seriously. I don't know, but I did a lot of things. I complained a lot last week, and that's it. That's one bad thing. That's something I'm working on. I shouldn't be complaining that much, but I'm being transparent here. That's why I put that part in the video. I could have cut that part out. This is what it means to be a growing trader. I'm still growing. I'm still working on myself. You understand? So I'm being transparent here. That's why I put everything on the video, so you understand that you are not alone. So that's it. Just like I said, guys, I document everything here just to keep myself accountable. You understand? So that when I watch these videos, I can as well grow from there. But if I don't document, I will not know. Like, for example, if I did not document the fact that I was complaining, do you know that I did not even notice that I was complaining that much until I watched the video? After uploading the video on YouTube, that was when I watched the video. After watching it, I was like, why are you complaining too much? Why are you complaining too much? So documenting my journey also helps me grow, right? Now enough of the yapping, right? Let's get on to the episode. I will update you guys if I take any trade. Yeah, guys, I just executed this trade on EU. It's on the 4 hours time frame. So price came to this support zone here. Looks like price wants to use it as a resistance to drop to the other side. And if you go on the 1 hour time frame, you see that price is bearish. Now, one pattern that I use to check that helps me to check price action is I go on the line charts. See, easier, right? This is the 1 hour time frame. See price creating series of lower lows and lower highs. And then if you go on the 15 minutes time frame, now after price, let me zoom in. After price tapped that resistance, price shifted structure, as you can see. Where's that brush? Price shifted structure. Look at this. Yes. Then price came back here. This is when London opened. And price came down. Yeah. Close beneath this resistance zone, support zone. Now price came back again, and then this is where I entered. On 15 minutes time frame, price has been creating this depletion around here. Price struggled around this region. Price could not break to the upside. And then if you go on the 5 minutes time frame, price shifted structure here. You cannot see it clearly now, but if you go on the line chart, you see it. See price. See, as you can see here. Price broke above, tapped this zone. This is a strong resistance, and then price broke to the downside. If you go on the candlestick chart, you see that I waited for price this 5 minutes candle to close before I jumped in. Hey guys, I took a loss on this trade. Now, I said I was not going to complain, right? But guys, take a look at this. These guys are sleeping me out, guys. They sleeping me out. Like EU that is as slow. EU is even slower than a grandma, a 95 years old grandma trying to cross the road. EU is very, very slow. I don't understand why I'll be getting sleeped. I will risk 500. If I take a loss, I will. This doesn't make sense. I don't know why I bought this firm, seriously. I don't know why. Oh, that's not even the trade. Look at it, 600 there. Anytime I take a loss, 600. Yo guys, good morning. This is Tuesday morning and I just executed a trade on Euro USD. I entered this trade around this region. Yeah. So if you go on the 15 minutes, you will see why I took this trade. Now I actually waited a lot of time because I would have entered this trade around here or here, but I said let me wait for more confirmation. Price has been bullish, right? Price broke above this last high and then closed above it, and then came back to retest this resistance. Price is now using it as a support, right? And then I executed this trade. Now on the 50k accounts, I just want you guys to look at this. As you can see, I just hover my mouse around the stop loss region, and then you can see that my stop loss is $499.80. Now, well, I'm not praying to take a loss on this trade, but let me just set my TP. I think I'll go for 3 to 1 ratio today. As you can see, my TP is at $1,532. So hopefully this trade can hit. Then this is my what's it called? The Alpha Capital group. I'm just go for 3 to 1 ratio today. And then this is my 5 hours funded account. Hopefully this trade hit for us. I'll be grateful to God. Yeah, I'll update you guys on this trade. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, guys, this trade resulted to a loss on my Alpha Capital, guys. I have less than 2 trades to blow this account because you know the max drawdown is like 6%, right? 6% max drawdown. And then on the 50k account, I have 2 trades to blow this account. 2 trades, 2 losses more, and then this account is gone. Yeah. All right. See you guys. If I take any other trade, I'll let you guys know. Yo guys, so I just re-entered this trade. Seemed like price decided to stop me at first before going to the upside. If you look at this candle, and go so like 4 candles, even to this one, and then price still at this 15 minutes zone here. And if you look at this candle engulfs this other candles. So guys, this trade resulted to a loss. Good morning guys, it's Thursday morning and I just executed this trade. As you can see, price is bullish. Now if you check on the 15 minutes time frame, you see that price broke above this resistance zone that price has been respecting for as you can see since yesterday, and the price came back to retest it. So that's why I jumped in. Yeah, so hopefully this trade can hit our TP for us. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I should target just 2 risk to reward ratio on this trade. Maybe I might extend it to 3 risk to reward ratio. Well, let's see what happens. I'm going to update you guys on this trade. Meanwhile, on my Fundy Pips account, this is the last trade for this account close, right? This is the last trade, and then on my Alpha Capital is the same thing, right? On Alpha Capital, if price even move deeply to this region, the account is gone because I just have, I think, $30 or $29 to risk. But no problems. I'll update you guys. So yeah, guys. So that trade resulted to a loss. Seriously. Done for the week, guys. Done for the week because I don't understand what this pay is up to. And seriously, guys, I'm kind of depressed. Seriously, guys. So it is what it is. Look at the emails. The emails that I got. Breached. Alpha Capital disqualified. Then Fundy Pips breached. So and then my 5 hours account, I don't know. This is like a maybe like 5% down. So yeah, and then that my 10k is minus 5% down. Seriously, I've checked my journal and I don't see anything I'm doing wrong, seriously. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm done for the week. I might even decide to go on a 1 week break. So if I'm going to go on a break, I'm going to let you guys know. I think I'm going to drop it on YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for always supporting your boy. I'll see you on the next one.